Hi guys on YouTube, here we are, and guess what? This is another Thunderstorm video. Welcome back to our Thunderstorm video of 2014. I don't think there's lightning. Oh, my Torian just thundered. Is that thunder and lightning or just thunder? Close by? Alright. There you get it. It's my autumn. This is my first autumn storm on YouTube. I have to record this first. Let's see how the storm is. Autumn. Thunderstorm. Any thunder or what?
A master of magic could bring 3 Jotuns into Asgard. Loki's always been one for mischief, but you're talking about something else entirely.
I guess that you say. True, there's a storm. Uh-oh. Sounds like a thunderstorm to me. In autumn. Second storm back at Braidwood.
What more than that?
No lightning. Just secret. This is more like a secret storm.